पीछे आ जाओ। गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। क्या आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं? प्लीज
यस सर।
राइट इन चैट बॉक्स, राइट इन चैट बॉक्स। Our voice is clear? स्वप्निल श्रीवास्तव, अनिल यादव, thanks. Good afternoon, my dear students.
Good afternoon, sir.
You are hearing my voice? Again,
Yes,
you
sir.
write yes, sir, so that I can see. Yes, sir. Saurabh, thank you. Anil Yadav, thank you. Thanks. Okay, now I'm start. Today is our second class as a subject of biology. As a subject of biology, your first chapter is in the biology, reproduction in organism. Chapter 1, reproduction in organism. Chapter 1. Reproduction in organism. Reproduction in organism. Chapter 1, reproduction in organism. You saw in previous class, lifespan, basic features of reproduction, reproduction in organism, why it is necessary, what is lifespan. These topics be studied in last video. Today we will study, we have read what is reproduction, what is reproduction and lifespan. Reproduction is defined as a biological process. You very carefully listen my word so that you can understand and you can write and you can listen and you can understand this chapter. Reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones. Young ones means offspring similar to itself. The offspring grow mature and in turn produce new offspring. Reproduction is defined as a biological process. In the previous lecture, we have taught At this time, in today class, we will read reproduction. 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 From the notes I am teaching, which I send by the WhatsApp, you will have seen when you are starting biology class 22, from 22, okay? Yes, reproduction. We are teaching from the notes which I send you by the WhatsApp. You will have seen, and I hope that you will have written in your copy, because notes is very important for you. If you make your notes neat and clean, then you can revise all the chapter. Then you guys know very well in all the chapters, and you find good marks in your examination. So notes is very essential for you. So I am giving you very neat and clean notes. In these notes you found figure, heading by heading, and neat and clean. That is made by me. So from the notes I am teaching, from that notes you find reproduction. Mainly two types of reproduction. Mainly two types of reproduction. Asexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Now we will know what is asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? First point is asexual reproduction. Production of, first point is production. Production, first point, you write now by this point. By this point you write production. Of offsprings by a single parent. Production of offspring production of offspring by a single parent, by a single parent, by a single parent. Production of offspring by a single parents without the formation and fusion of gametes, without the formation and fusion of gametes. Gametes. You will have understand. You are understanding that asexual reproduction, production of offspring. Offspring means new. Who's born? Offspring. Study offspring. We have taught young ones. You can say offspring. Young ones is offspring. Production of offspring, young ones, by a single parent, only one parents, single parents, with formation and fusion, means formation and fusion of gametes. Only single parents with formation and fusion of gametes. It occurred in asexual reproduction. And next point is offspring receive all of their offspring receive offspring receive all offspring receive all of their genes from one parents. Offspring receive all offspring receive all of their genes, all of their genes. Offspring receive all of their genes from one, from, you write now, from one, from one parent. So are identical from one parent. So are identical, so are identical with each other, with identical, I want to erase this. Identical with each other, with each other, identical with each other, and are called clone, and are called clone. Clone. What is clone? What is clone? You write now clone. What is clone? My question is, what is clone? Morphologically and genetically similar. Morphologically and genetically, morphologically and genetically similar individuals, similar individuals. These are clone. I want to revise asexual reproduction. You see asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. You are seeing in asexual reproduction, production of offspring by a single parent without formation and fusion of gametes. You will have to learn. Second point, offspring receive all of their genes, from one parent, so are identical with each other and are called clone. What is clone? Morphologically and genetically similar individual, means it is similar to each other like his parent. So this is called clone. Clone means morphologically and genetically similar individual. These are called clone. Question comes, what is clone? Clone is morphologically and genetically similar individuals. That the term in biology, we know it. Morphologically and genetically similar individual is called clone. Next point is asexual is also known as asexual is also known as asexual is also known as gametogenesis. Asexual is also known as gametogenesis. Example in which it occurred. Amoeba euglena. etc. Amoeba euglena. Again, I want to repeat this. I want to revise this so that you can understand. Asexual reproduction. Production of offspring by a single parents with formation and fusion of gametes. Second point, offspring receive all of their genes from one parent, so are identical with each other and are called clone. What is clone? Clone morphologically and genetically similar individual. These are called clone. Asexual, next point is asexual is also known as gametogenesis. Asexual is also known as gametogenesis. Okay, you can take a screenshot so that you can make your notes neat and clean. Okay, I want to erase. Our next heading was sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. First point is, what is sexual reproduction? Production of new individual by formation. Production of new individual production of new individual by formation and fusion of by formation and fusion of male and female gamete, male and female gamete, male and female gametes. What is gamete? Next, gamete. Gametes makes zygote. Gametes, when male and female fusion, then make gametes. From gametes make zygote. From zygote makes new organism. You read in asexual reproduction, you will have read in asexual reproduction, you will have read production of offspring by formation of only single production of organism, formation of only single parents without the formation and fusion of gametes. But in the sexual reproduction, you are reading at this time on your board that production of new individual by formation and fusion of male and female. In that you saw single parents and without fusion, and you see in this with fusion, not single, male and female gametes. In that you saw single parents without fusion. In this you are seeing male and female gametes fuse and make zygote. From the zygote, make gamete. From the gamete make zygote. From the zygote make new organism. You are understanding? You are understanding? I am understanding that you are understanding. Gamete, zygote, new organism. Zygote, gamete, zygote, new organism. Okay, next. Second point is in the sexual reproduction. Second point in the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is also known as amphimixis. Sexual reproduction is also known as sexual reproduction is also known as amphimixis or amphimixis or syngenesis, syngenesis, amphimixis, amphimixis, or syngenesis. Syngenesis. What is amphimixis? Sexual reproduction is called amphimixis. What is syngenesis? Sexual reproduction is called syngenesis. Syngenesis. You have to learn amphimixis or syngenesis. And next point is in the sexual reproduction. Next point is in the sexual reproduction. Example of sexual reproduction is example of sexual reproduction. Example of sexual reproduction is, you write in comment box. You write in comment box example of sexual reproduction. You write just now. You write, I am seeing. You write now. Okay. Okay. I am writing. Example of sexual reproduction is human dog, extra. Human and dog are the example of sexual reproduction. I want to revise this. Sexual reproduction. Production of new individual by formation and fusion of male and female gamete, zygote, new organism. Next point is sexual reproduction is also known as amphimixis or syngenesis. Next example of sexual reproduction is human and dog, extra, etc. Okay, you are seeing and you can take a screenshot. Okay, I am going to revise which I study today. First, reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means production of offspring by a single parent. Production of offspring by a single parents with the formation and fusion of gametes. Next point, offspring produce is the exact copies of the parent. Offspring receive all their genes from one parent. So are identically with each other and are called clone. What is clone? Clone morphologically and genetically similar individuals. Morphologically and genetically single individuals. Asexual is also known as gametogenesis. Example of asexual is amoeba euglena. You see, in sexual reproduction, production of new individual by formation and fusion of male and female gamete. Gametes from zygote from new organism. And next, sexual reproduction is also known as amphimixis or syngenesis. Example of sexual reproduction is human dogs. Okay, I hope that you will understand what I teach today. From next topic, I teach next day. Next topic I teach next day from asexual reproduction. Till then, you revise all this and makes your notes neat and clean. Okay, thanks. That's all.